this is the shebang. What is that? Hash and exclamatory is nothing but shebang. Okay. So this is nothing but a shebang. So here I am specifying shebang to use bash shell to execute my script file. Execute my zip file. So what is a shebang? Shebang is used to specify which shell we need to use to execute execute our script. Execute our script. So shebang. So here I am specifying a shebang to use bash shell to execute my script. So shebang is used to specify which shell we need to use to execute our shift. So we need to execute our shift. Yes, understood? Guys,
Got it.
understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Very good.
Got it right?
Yep.
So shebang, why we are using shebang now you understood? So shebang,
Yes.
right? So something like so from tomorrow, so we will show you uh how to get the variable, something like right. So we will write another another example, something like a what is the example? Example example two, right? So this is the example. Yeah. So what is the example two, guys? Something like what is that? So every script we need to write the shebang. Yes, this is a shebang with the dash 15. Guys, Hello, guys.
Yeah.
I'm back. Sorry, someone called up. Yeah, what is that? Bin bash. So example. So what is the example? For example, I want to print to echo print echo hello world world to and I want to print the date, guys. Today's date. So what is that? Date is the so date is the back. So I want to take the date and echo current date and time dollar date column. So right, just hello world will print the date, guys. So let's write this. So hello dot sh. What we will give? So vi hello dot sh the creation. Yeah, shebang bin bash echo hello world date. So that is the date echo current date and time. Okay, let's so ch mode plus x also you can give, guys, without you. So plus x hello dot sh ls, yeah, dot slash hello dot sh. Hello line number 5 unexpected EOF looking for the matching. Okay, okay. What is that? Hello world date. Hmm, correct only, right? Okay, hello world date 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 equal to date equal current date. Hmm, it's correct only, right? Date line number 4 at hello dot sh. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. In the line number 4, unexpected EOF file looking for matching. Unexpected EOF. Mm, only try. Current date. Let's date equal to date. Equal current date. Let's see. End of the file also to give the insert. global current date and time. Okay, echo code dollar date. Hmm, yeah, let's execute. The issue with cat hello.sh. So what is the issue is something like here. So we miss it to give the double quotes. Okay, is understood?